Hey guys, Chuck22 for another review. Today I'm going to combine the Storm Power Megazord and the Thunder Power Megazord to form the Thunderstorm Megazord. Now, what you'll need is both of the Megazords, of course, and okay, I'll get ready to take Karaki Balls, which I don't know why I have saying that, but that's the review. I need Power Spears number 7 and 8. These came with the Thunder Power Megazord, and it also came with Power Spear number 4, but sadly I lost it. In Hurricane, these are called Karaki Balls, and you get to buy these separately. Yeah, they do not come with the garage in. So, just put the camera down. Go. Sorry if it's dark in my where I'm filming my reviews at. Oops, I'm gonna put these together like that, and connect it like that. Then you have Mini Ninja. I have no clue what he's called in Hurricane, but if you do, post a comment at the bottom of this video. He's mostly painted in blue and silver and a bit of gold. Has this see-through part right here. I'll get to why I think this is see-through later. And it has a crescent moon on its chest. And I don't know if I can, but the face looks like he has a blue mouth and, blue mouth and red eyes. His feet can move from side to side, and his arms can move. Now to get to the transformation. First of all, we'll get the Storm Power Megazord. Take both of the arms off. Move the head. Put this. Turn it around and put the arms up. Get the Hot Zord. Put the wings back. And attach the lion's head up against the chest. Then move out of the way. This one. Oops. I'm very sorry that happened. This is one of you look at the Storm Power Megazord. Move this part. Split the legs in half. Pull these up. Close them. Get the horns. Now what I did with mine, since I had a lot of broken connectors, I experimented with super glue, and if you remove, okay, I'm basically super glue the entire thing together to take it all apart, and somewhere the residue from this sticks on the residue onto here. So, yeah. Very sorry that happened. Sometimes it sticks, sometimes it doesn't. So, yeah, we showed you with the Crimson Insect Zord. Get the head back in. And we're going to split him in two. Yeah, mine is kind of broken. But, yeah. I was going to use Velcro, but yeah, I decided not to. I'm going to pull these tabs out. side there. Same thing with the other side. Put the tabs out. Now there are connectors right here, here, and in here that connect on to the Megazord. There we go. See, he's getting kind of taller. So, which one is you want to get the arms? Attach one here. And here's what the Megazord looks like so far. Right now, it's gonna be kind of hard to show the face. So which one you want to get the? So we need that. To the Thunderstorm, move the head, adjust the tail, pull these connectors down. We get this, pull the connection down. Okay. I have to remove this arm since the connectors are so badly damaged, because the left arm is very fragile. I'm going to open up the fist, close this part, close the fingers, and put this arm down. Yeah. Again, I apologize for the broken connectors. I'll close one. Oh, sorry about that. Something with this one. Do that. Then get the head. Get the other half of Mini Ninja. Put this up. Sorry if it's taking a little too long of a time. Go put the arms. Get the back. Push this half up. See, it has a new face. Then pull these down. And we'll do this without making some of the parts fall out. Put the dolphin here. Then we get this part. Stick it onto there. There you have it. The Thunderstorm Megazord. Yeah, he's huge. Probably one of the biggest Ultrazords I have in my collection. Just give you guys a look at it. Yeah. Gigantic Megazord. Now, I'm going to do his little gimmick that he can still do, but I will have to take both of his arms off in order to do that. Okay, now we'll put this in through this side. Okay. See how I can do this. Oops. Put this in, and he would pull it out. Sorry I couldn't do it with more power because connector is really bad. And there you have it. So, if you do not have any of the Thunderstorm Megazords, I highly suggest that you get them because they are cool and yeah, they're just really nice Megazords. They kept some of the features of all the Megazords. Yeah, I do not have the semi-star Megazord, so I can't show you the Hurricane Megazord combination. But yeah. So yeah, that's about it for my review. Join me next time when... so far, I'm almost done with all my Megazords. And right now, I have no idea what I'm going to review, so... But I still have some roleplay stuff that I might review and everything. Yeah, I want to review my Chronomorpher, but that's just broken. It's almost like getting close to zoom in. So, that's about it for my review. Join me next time when I'll review the Omega Megazord. So, it's Big Jump 22 saying, see you guys later.